This content is made possible by our sponsor. It is not written by and does not necessarily reflect the views of Engadget's editorial staff. Python powers many services we use daily. Use Spotify to stream your favorite music or podcasts? The platform was built with Python. Is Google your go-to search engine? Python's behind that, too. Similarly, teams at Instagram, Netflix, Uber and more use this popular coding language to ensure their software and websites run smoothly. If you want to pursue a career as a developer, studying Python seems like a no-brainer. Of course, the challenge is learning the language itself. The complete 2022 Python programming bundle, available now for $39, contains courses that can teach you coding fundamentals and advanced knowledge that professionals use to build some of today's most prevalent apps and websites. The bundle includes a couple of intro classes that help students ease into Python. In one, you'll learn basic data structures and conditional statements. Plus get comfortable with datasets in Pandas, Python's analysis tool. The A to Z course provides training with real-world application on visualization, automation and the software development industry in general. When you're ready to learn intermediate concepts such as callbacks, parallel and asynchronous programming, decorators and generators, there's hours of content to dive into. You'll also find lessons on how to create multi-armed bandit algorithms. You can expand your CGI, email, GUI, networking and XML knowledge with the aptly named Python Programming Bible. Finally, the Spatial Analysis in ArcGIS course can help you spot patterns and solve complex problems. Skill Success, an online learning hub featuring over 2,000 video lectures, curates these lessons. Each course is led by professionals such as data scientist Derek Muiti and programmer Suhail Khan, who share passions for teaching students the skills they need to succeed in the tech industry. Course list. Whether you're well into your tech career or starting a coding side hustle, learning Python can bring you closer to your goals. You can purchase all 9 courses right now for $39 or less than $5 each. Prices subject to change. Engadget is teaming up with Stack Social to bring you deals on the latest headphones, gadgets, tech toys, and tutorials. This post does not constitute editorial endorsement, and we earn a portion of all sales. If you have any questions about the products you see here or previous purchases, please contact Stack Social. Support here.